Good morning friends. Welcome to Parnika Tutorials YouTube channel. In the last video, I have discussed about the predictive parser. I hope you have watched that video. If you did not watch that video, I request you to go back and watch that video and come back to this video for better understanding. In this video, I want to discuss one of the practice question on predictive parser. What is predictive parser? Another name for predictive parser is LL1 parser. Am I right or wrong? So let me read out the question, then I will discuss the solution with you. In the predictive parsing table, for the grammar, the entry at S on ID is, they have given the grammar S determines F and R determines X, S epsilon, F determines ID. Now, first thing we need to identify what are the non-terminals and what are the terminals from the grammar. What are the non-terminals? The symbols which are there in the left hand side of the productions, we will call them as non-terminals such as S, R and F. What are the terminals? The symbols which are there in the right hand side other than the non-terminals such as X, comma, ID. And you can consider the epsilon, or if you does not consider it also, not a problem. Now once we do it, we have to construct the parsing table. Okay, what is the parsing table will consist of? S, R and F. And what are the other entries will be there? This X, ID and dollar will be there. Am I right or wrong? Is it clear? Are you able to understand it or not? So now what should I do? X on F and R entry. That entry, what should I do? Where I should write first of the F. What is the first of F? ID. Are you able to understand? I need to write this entry. S determines F and R will be first of the right hand side. In the right hand side I have the F. So first of the F is ID. So I will write the S determines FR. Is it clear? Similarly, R determines XS, where I will write first of X, where X is a terminal. So I will write this R determines XS will be here. Are you able to understand it or not? Similarly, R determines epsilon. I will write it where? I will write the follow of R. What is the follow of R? The follow of R is that you need to look at where R is there in the right hand side. Here R is there. After R, anything is there? No. So follow of R is equal to follow of S. What is follow of S? If you look at it as the follow of R is equal to follow of S. What is follow of S? As S is a start symbol, follow of S will consist of dollar. Will you agree with me or not? And similarly, S is there here. Follow of S is equal to follow of R. So I can say that follow of R is dollar. So I need to write the production R determines epsilon in the dollar only. Similar to F determines ID, I need to write it in the first of ID, which is equal to ID. So I have the F determines ID. So I have completely constructed the LL1 or the predictive parsing table for the given grammar. Now what is their question? S on ID. What is on S on ID? S on ID. Which production is there? They are asking. S determines FR. Yes, it is there. Now we will see. So S determines FR is there. What about the option B? F determines ID. F determines ID is not there. So option B is wrong. Option C, what they are saying, A and B are correct. But only A is correct, B is wrong. So option C is wrong. And they are saying none of the above, but option A is correct, so option D is wrong. So option B, C and D are wrong. For this question, option A is the right one. I hope you have understood how I solve this question. If you still have any doubts related to this concept or related to this question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as soon as possible. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.